Let's make lacto-fermented pickles that are good for your gut because they serve as a prebiotic vegetable. Let's grab our empty jar, just put it down there, and we're just gonna stuff our baby cucumbers in the jar. Just try and push them down, make them as tight as we can. Water, and weigh it out. And you want it to cover the top of all these cucumbers. So they're submerged. Now we're gonna pour that water in the bowl and we're gonna zero out the scale. We're gonna add 2% of that salt. Around half a tablespoon of black peppercorns. And now we're gonna pour in our liquid with our salt. Our brine, sorry. Fill it up all the way. Now that looks pretty submerged. Now we're just gonna lightly twist on a top and not close it all the way. Just leave it a bit loose. And we're gonna leave these pickles for about 3 days to 2 weeks, depending on how we would like them to taste or how intense you want them. And this is great because it is definitely good for your gut and it accesses a lot of prebiotics.